Okay, let's talk about how to find the cube root of 3,456. First thing I want to do is I want to factor 3,456. We'll talk about some divisibility rules next week, but right now, because I know that 56 is divisible by 4, that 3,456 is also divisible by 4. So 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 4. Let's see, that's going to be 4 times 8 is 32. 2 comes down in the 5. 4 times 6 is 24. 1 comes down and the 6 and 4. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, which is really 2 times 2. So there's my 4 times 864. And again, 864 is also divisible by 4. So let's look at that. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 4 goes into 6 1 time. 4 goes into 24 6 times. So this becomes 2 times 2, so there's the 4 again, times 216. And now it's getting a little bit easier to see what to do. 216 is also divisible by 4. Let me erase some of this so that we've got more space to work. 216 divided by 4. 4 goes into 21 5 times with a 16 and a 4. So 2 times 2 times 54, and 54 is 9, 54 is 9 times 6. So 9 times 6 is 3 times 3. There's the 9. And 6 is 3 times 2. I'm going to erase that again so that we have more room. Okay. So the next thing, we're looking at the cube root. So I'm going to circle groups of 3. Here's a group of 3. Here's a group of 3. And here's a group of 3. Each of these groups comes out of the radical. So I have a 2 for the first group of 3, another 2 for the second group of 3, and a 3 for the third group of 3. I only have a 2 left over. Because it's not a group of 3, it stays inside. So the next thing I do is I combine these. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times the cube root of 2 is equal to the cube root of 3,456. So here's a place where factor trees can be really, really helpful for students in the future. And for students who go even farther than this, okay, this is extended into algebra. So when we talk about factor trees in elementary school, we are helping all of the students who need to go farther in their STEM fields to understand what they need to do. We're setting that foundation. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.